What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you sites or jobs where you could work online without experience needed. So all of these websites and jobs allow you to work for the companies, but they don't require you to have any previous experience. Alright, so if you're a high school student, college student, you've never worked, it doesn't matter, they don't require you to have experience. Alright, so the first company I want to share with you is called virtualassistantjobs.com. Alright, and here, if you're interested in doing VA, as it's called, virtual assistants, then you could actually sign up and become a virtual assistant. Right, this site actually has jobs that are posted, so you don't need to apply for anything, meaning you don't have to freelance and do it on your own. You could just sign up here and actually find jobs that are already existing. So for example, it says on the earn money, work from home as a VA, exclusive jobs with great salaries, full and part-time, apply and connect with hiring employers in just one click. Okay, so here is someone or a category of people who are looking for assistance or some virtual assistants. So if you are an employer, here are some top VAs that have been mentioned that you could just click and see their profile and stuff. And then on this side it shows the latest jobs. So there are data entry jobs, executive support positions, administrative and clerical, customer service specialists, internet and web support, etc., etc. And all of these, as I've said, is completely from the internet. So you could work from home, from the beach, from your favorite cafe. Doesn't matter. You're a virtual assistant, so you exist but not in person, you know what I mean? So check the site out, virtualassistantjobs.com. That's virtualassistant jobs jobs.com. So pretty much type this in, virtualassistantjobs.com, and then you're there. The next site I want to talk to you about is called TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is a service where people, especially people who are multilingual, so if you know more than one language, you could actually work here. You could do transcriptions, you could do translations, and data annotation. Right? So again, you sign up. It doesn't cost anything to sign up, and the service is offered, like I said, it's transcription. So it's 79 cents per audio minute that they charge people. Speech recognition, so you have automated transcription starting at 7 cents per audio minute. Translations and data annotation, and they're always looking for transcriptionists. You just look to the top right corner here and you click on join as transcriptionist, and you could just get signed up really easy, and you're well on your way. By the way, if you think any of this is helping you or could help someone, hit the like button, share this with a friend, subscribe, because these videos come out pretty often, and one of these or several of these could actually help you or someone you know and love. Alright, so just a little intermission there, so let's get back to the show. Alright, another site where you could work without any experience is called Appen. Appen is a company, I believe it's based in Europe, but they always look for people around the world to do remote jobs such as testing apps, or I've heard of them sending out, let's say a company has a new video game, they would send out the video game and invite people to play and test the game and give their reviews. So a lot of companies go to them to find people to test or use their products and services, and then share their opinions, give their reviews, see how well it works, how well it doesn't work, so on and so on. Alright, so they deliver training data, they do data collection and data sets, platform overview, crowd management, and other expertise. So this is another site that you could use. When I signed up, I filled out a form but within a few hours or a day or so, they came back to me with authorization that I was good. And then what they would do was email me anytime jobs would come up, right? So from what I know, it's pretty much worldwide, but there are some territories that they are more popular in. But wherever you are in the world, give it a try. I mean, you just want to make money. Here's an opportunity to earn money without experience, right? Now, the last one I'm going to share with you today is called Mod Squad. Mod Squad, it's a pretty cool website if you ask me. They're really good at grabbing your attention, and they're very, what do you call it? Kind of like Apple, they challenge the status quo. They don't want to be normal like everybody else, right? Now, Mod Squad, MODSQUAD.com, is a site that allows people to work remotely. And as you see here, we are the mods, experts in remote work since 2007. They offer moderation, customer support, community type jobs, and social media. So they are big on outsourcing jobs. So a lot of clients go to them to find people to do their customer support, and other jobs similar to that. So if an existing company, top tier company, wants people to handle their customer service or anything like that, then they would more than likely go to Mod Squad. And here are some companies that have used them: the NFL, the United States of America, as in the US government, Tops, the WB, Harry Potter, PBS Kids, Kimpton, Vimeo. Tell me that those aren't big companies. And the minute you hear of those companies, you know that they're a reputable company. This modsquad.com company is very reputable, and they do pay out on time. And side note, these companies generally pay out through PayPal as well. So if you're wondering about having to have a US bank account or anything like that, well, that answers the question. You could get paid through PayPal, right? So Mod Squad, MODSQUAD.com. Check them out. Start working without experience. And I hope you guys are doing well through this pandemic, and check these websites out to see how best you can earn more money through this pandemic. Guys, this is the Internet Income Ninja. If you like the quality, if you like the content I shared with you just now, and the quality, of course, hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to see way more episodes to come. And of course, there are videos in the past. But this is it from us for today. Hope one of these websites helps you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.